Hello, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the kitchen heroes. You probably eat everyday eggs, ginger, and cabbage, but we're going beyond the basics. Have you heard those scary rumors about eggs and certain foods clogging your arteries? It's enough to make you nervous. The truth is, eggs are nutrient powerhouses, often called nature's multivitamin. They deliver that complete protein. Your body needs to maintain muscle and bone density as you age. And here's the brain boost the choline in the yolk acts like fuel for your memory, potentially helping to ward off diseases like Alzheimer's. They're fantastic if you eat them right. We're going to break down 3 common pitfalls that turn this healthy food toxic and reveal 3 dynamic duos that elevate the simple egg into a true superfood. A quick look: 7 reasons eggs are essential. Bone strength. They carry vitamin D, which is crucial for absorbing calcium. Muscle maintenance. A perfect source of amino acids. To combat age-related muscle loss, Skin Radiance Vitamin A helps cell turnover, keeping your skin firm and glowing. Immunity Shield eggs are a great source of selenium, boosting your body's defenses against colds. Cognitive health, the dynamic duo of choline and lecithin, keeps your brain sharp. Eye protection. Lutein guards your eyes against wear and tear as you get older. Satiety and weight control, high protein, low calorie, the perfect filling snack. The 3 egg traps, what to never mix. Soy milk, the protein clash. Mixing eggs and soy milk can cause a digestive roadblock. The proteins in both clash, potentially leading to indigestion and stomach discomfort. Rule: give your stomach an hour break between these 2 items. Persimmons, the rock formation. The tannins in persimmons can bind with egg protein, creating hard, indigestible clumps. This can lead to serious digestive pain or even contribute to kidney stones. Rule: keep these 2 ingredients separated by a meal or more. Medication, especially antibiotics. The high protein in eggs can sometimes interfere with how certain medications, like some antibiotics, are absorbed, potentially triggering allergic reactions or rashes. Rule: always take your meds at least 60 minutes away from your egg consumption. 3 egg power pairings, eat this, not that. Apple, the cleanser eggs lack vitamin C and fiber. Apples provide both, actively helping to flush out bad cholesterol. Pairing these is fantastic for arterial health, guarding against stroke and heart disease. Pro tip: toss a chopped hard-boiled egg and apple slices into a light salad. Pumpkin. The digestant pumpkin is full of vitamins and fiber, balancing the rich protein and minerals in the egg. This combination is softer on your stomach, aids digestion, prevents constipation, and helps eliminate waste. Pro tip: make a savory pumpkin and egg scramble. Chives, the vitality booster. Chives are excellent for liver health and blood circulation. When cooked with eggs, they form a powerful tonic that fights fatigue and improves overall energy better than most supplements. Pro tip: chive and egg stir-fry or an omelet is the perfect way to get this boost. 2. Ginger, the ancient anti-inflammatory root. Next, we look at ginger, a root revered globally as medicine. Its warming properties are legendary. But while ginger is amazing for healing, it requires careful pairing. 5 reasons ginger is your daily healer: immunity and warmth. The active compound, gingerol, provides both powerful anti-inflammatory action and a warming effect that boosts circulation and fights off viruses. Digestive relief, shogaol, stimulates digestive juices, easing bloating and keeping things moving smoothly through your gut. Joint and muscle pain. It's a natural painkiller. Regular ginger consumption can significantly reduce the pain and inflammation associated with arthritis and muscle soreness. Blood sugar stability. Ginger helps improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent natural support for managing blood sugar and preventing heart issues. Metabolism and fat burning. By gently raising your core body temperature, ginger increases metabolic rate, helping your body break down stored fat. The 3 ginger stressors. Too much of a good thing. Coffee, the overstimulant. Both ginger and caffeine are stimulants. Taking them together can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to uncomfortable heartburn and acid reflux. Rule: don't chase your ginger tea with a coffee stick to water. Heavy meat dishes. The acid bomb. Combining ginger with large amounts of meat protein can trigger excessive stomach acid production, leading to painful indigestion. Rule: use ginger sparingly with rich, fatty meat dishes. Intensely spicy foods. The overheating risk ginger is naturally warm. Pairing it with chili-laden foods can create an internal overheating sensation, causing stomach distress and aggravation, especially for those with sensitive digestive systems. Rule: use ginger to complement, not double down on heat. 3 ginger power pairings maximize the root. Honey the soother. This classic duo is more than just tasty. The anti-inflammatory power of ginger and the antibacterial properties of honey combine to create the ultimate natural remedy for coughs, sore throats, and general immune defense. Pro tip: mix fresh ginger juice with honey and warm water. Lemon, the antioxidant explosion. Lemon's vitamin C and ginger's compounds create a synergistic antioxidant effect, magnifying their ability to neutralize free radicals and fight aging. Pro tip: add a slice of lemon to your ginger tea. Green tea, the detox champion. The catechins in green tea pair perfectly with ginger, enhancing cellular protection and detoxification. Plus, the smooth flavor of green tea naturally mellows ginger's strong spice. Pro tip: brew green tea with a small piece of ginger after a meal. The ultimate ginger hack. To unlock ginger's maximum medicinal potential, try steaming it before drying it. This process drastically increases the concentration of beneficial compounds, making your ginger tea exponentially more potent for inflammation and gut health. 3. Cabbage, the humble gut healer. Finally, we come to cabbage. Affordable and ancient, it's often called the doctor of the poor, and is a certified global longevity food. 3 reasons cabbage deserves a spot in your diet. Ultimate gut health: cabbage is a fiber titan. Its insoluble fiber relieves constipation and cleanses the large intestine, actively preventing issues like colon cancer. Its soluble fiber is a hero for managing blood sugar and cholesterol, anti-aging, and skin health. Its rich vitamin C content acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells. It also aids in collagen production, helping to keep your skin plump and youthful. Cancer defense: cabbage contains indole 3-carbinol, a compound shown to help suppress the growth of certain tumors. It is particularly highlighted for its preventative role against breast and cervical cancers. Caution: remember that goitrogen warning. If you have hypothyroidism, consult your doctor about your cabbage intake. The 3 cabbage complications. Poorly processed juice: cabbage's key nutrients are highly sensitive to heat. If the juice is extracted using high temperatures, the health benefits essentially disappear. Rule: only purchase cabbage juices that specify low-temperature extraction to preserve the delicate nutrients. Thyroid imbalance. We're repeating this because it's important. The goitrogens can suppress thyroid function, worsening symptoms for those who already have an underactive thyroid. Rule: monitor your intake if you have this condition. Blood thinners. Again, cabbage's high vitamin K content promotes blood clotting. This directly counteracts the effects of prescribed blood thinners, like warfarin or aspirin. Rule: while light consumption is okay, avoid concentrated cabbage products if you are on blood thinners. 3 cabbage power pairings. The detox trifecta. Apple stomach soother. Combining these 2 creates the perfect smoothie base. Cabbage protects the stomach lining from apple's acidity, allowing you to absorb all the apple's anti-cancer benefits. This blend is also exceptional at clearing out plaque and toxins from your bloodstream. Pro tip: blend cabbage and apple for a gut-friendly morning smoothie. Grapefruit, the antioxidant blend. Grapefruit is loaded with lycopene and beta-carotene. When blended with cabbage, the cabbage buffers the grapefruit's acidity, allowing you to get all the anti-aging and cholesterol-lowering benefits without the heartburn. Pro tip: A. refreshing cabbage grapefruit juice is great for weight management. Banana, the liver and energy detox. Bananas offer instant energy and fiber. Paired with cabbage, you get a synergistic detoxifying effect. This combination, in particular, supports liver health and suppresses cancer cell growth, making it a famous natural regimen for liver support. Pro tip: steam both the cabbage and banana lightly, then blend with a little milk for a powerful, easy-to-digest elixir.